Welcome to Learn Academy. In today's tutorial, we will be exploring simplification of fraction. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify fraction. Let's get started. Let us now deal with simplification of fraction, combining all the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To know the order in which these operations are carried out, we will follow the acronym BODMAS. This implies B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and of course, S for subtraction. You must follow this sequence in solving problems that contain all these operations. Let's look at a sample problem. If you are asked to simplify 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 2 over 5 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. The first step is to convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction. So to do this, we multiply the whole number parts by the denominator and add the numerator. So to convert the first fraction to improper fraction, we multiply 2 by 4, which gives us 8, and add 3 to it, which gives us 11. So the first mixed fraction becomes 11 over 4. We bring down the plus sign and then convert the second mixed fraction to improper fraction by multiplying 3 by 5, which gives us 15, and adding 2, which gives us 17. So the second fraction becomes 17 over 5. You also bring down the subtraction sign and finally convert the third mixed fraction to improper fraction by multiplying 1 by 3, which gives us 3, and adding 2, which gives us 5. So the third mixed fraction becomes 5 over 3. Recall that from BODMAS, addition operation must be carried out before subtraction operation. So we will carry out the addition operation first. The two fractions to be added together are enclosed in the brackets. To add the fractions, we find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 5, which is 20. So we draw the vinculum line and place the LCM 20 at the denominator. So we start by dividing the LCM of 20 by the denominator of the first fraction 4 and multiply with its numerator, which is 11. We also divide the LCM of 20 by the denominator of the second fraction 5 and multiply with its numerator of 17. Then we simply bring forward the last fraction of 5 over 3. So we have 55 plus 68 over 20 minus 5 over 3. Then we add the numbers at the numerator, which gives us the expression 123 over 20, and bring forward 5 over 3. So we are left with the last arithmetic operation, which is subtraction. To subtract the fractions, we find the LCM of the denominators 20 and 3, which is 60. So we draw the vinculum line and place the LCM 60 at the denominator. So we start by dividing the LCM of 60 by the denominator of the first fraction 20 and multiply with its numerator, which is 123. We also divide the LCM of 60 by the denominator of the second fraction 3 and multiply with its numerator of 5. So we have 369 minus 100 over 60. Then we subtract the numbers at the numerator, which gives us the expression 269 over 60. So the simplification of 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 2 over 5 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3 is 269 over 60. 269 over 60 can further be simplified by dividing 269 by 60, which gives 4 with a remainder of 29. We are writing the resulting mixed fraction number as 4 whole number 29 over 60. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.